Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Punnuri. In today's video, we are going to make this beautiful wall decor using different kind of waste materials. To make the hanging base, we need rectangular cardboard. As the cardboard is not thick enough, I am sticking two pieces together using fevicryl fabric glue. As I said, it's a hanging base. We need to make holes at four corners of the cardboard. Applying glue to thread makes it easier while passing the thread through the hole. Conceal the cardboard edges using masking tape to get the neat finish. The width of the tape should be more than width of the cardboard. Trim the tape at the corners so that it doesn't overlap. Repeat sticking the tape to get the extra strength. Now the cardboard is ready, so let's paint it. To prevent the cardboard absorbing the moisture from atmosphere, you can add little POP or wall putty in the acrylic paint. Mix well until there are no lumps in the paint. Apply paint on cardboard using brush and dab with sponge to get uniform coat. After applying, I felt it's not looking like a wooden plank, so I used darker color for the second coat. Finally, applied little black and gave gentle strokes and smudged it well to get that natural wood look. You can keep adding the base color and black color till you get the required effect. Finally, apply varnish to make it waterproof. Now, to make the colorful circles, take any cardboard and make a marking on it and cut it with a cutter. Apply 2 coats of paint on cardboard. Not to forget to dab with sponge to get that uniform coat. To cover the edges of the cardboard, we will stick a cotton rope around. To get a better finish, I am sticking one more layer of cotton rope, but a thinner one. Now it's time to beautify this cardboard circle. Here I am sticking some mirrors. You can decide the pattern how you want to stick the mirrors, depends on the size of the circle. I am making lines around the mirrors using fevicryl 3D liner. Again, this is to get a good finish. To fill the center plain part, I am using impression stamp. Apply paint on the stamp and dab with the sponge. Dabbing with sponge is really very important step. Even though the impression doesn't come out that clear, it still looks beautiful. You can make more impressions as required. After making the impressions, if you still feel there is lot of plain surface, you can add more mirrors. So I made one smaller one in dark color and I made the impressions according to the size. Made one more smaller one. Coming to the next one, painted these plastic bottles using fevicryl metallic gold paint. Not to forget to dab with sponge to get that uniform coat. After 2 coats of paint, after it gets completely dried, apply varnish to make it waterproof. You can stick any cotton rope or any jute lace to cover the unfinished edge of the bottle. Stick mirrors to go with the other colored circles. Make an outline around the mirrors using 3D liner to get a better finish. I am going to use them as planters. After adding water, both the planters are ready with the plants. Coming to the next one, these are the Yakult plastic bottles. Cut them using the cutter which you are seeing in the video. Trust me, whatever plastic bottles you cut with this cutter, it gives a great finish. You can remove the print on the bottle by using either turpentine or nail paint remover. Made design using fevicryl 3D liner. Fill glass colors in the made design. As the surface of the bottle is not flat, you have to fill the colors little by little so that the colors don't spill. You can redo the outlines if you feel that they are not that visible. Now we will assemble all the things which we made. We can stick these colored circles using this double tape. Okay, done with sticking the circles. Next is hanging the base using any kind of rope. I placed this Buddha which I have at home, and then I placed the planters and placed the tea light and kept the Yakult bottle over it to make it look like a mini lantern. These lanterns look beautiful either you keep the lights on or off. So, this is what art around house is all about. I hope you all like this idea. Thank you for watching this video. Next week, we'll come up with more creative ideas. Till then, bye bye.